Hey everybody, we've all had it happen. You come in, you got a door that is either too big or too small, as in the width of our jamb. So what we're going to do on this one, if you were to put your casing up, you see that huge gap right there? Yeah, that's no bueno. So I'm going to show you how to fix that coming up. So the first thing that you're going to do is know what casing you're putting on. We're doing a 1x4 leg with a 1x6 top. So we're going to take, and I like a 1/4 inch reveal, so I'm going to go 5 3/4 inches. I'm going to put me a mark here, and then I'm going to measure from my floor up to that mark. And I'm rocking with a 79 7/8. And then you want to measure how far you're sticking out. Now you want to make sure it's to your finished wall, which ours is sheetrock. So I'm going to butt it up to the sheetrock, and I'm going to measure out to the edge of my door jamb here, and I'm rocking with a 5/8 of an inch. I'm going to check him over here, and we can stay with that 5/8 all the way. So I'm gonna go cut them, and what you're gonna do is, since I'm working with 1x material anyways, that means I've got it out there. So I'm gonna cut something that is, I'm gonna rip down a board that is 5/8 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. So I'm gonna do that. Now, once we got those ripped, what I like to go ahead and do is measure for my casing, and all I do is go to the bottom of the casing here, the bottom of my jamb, and then add a 1/4 inch. I'm rocking with a 79 1/2, so that'll be 79 3/4. Now what I like to do is we go ahead and mount him. And mind you, when you're nailing him, we're nailing him into the jamb, so you don't want to do it this way because you'll most likely get some blowout. And if you would like, I got a video that'll help you out with that. But you want to make sure you turn him this way. We're going to nail him. Make sure our reveal stays good. I'm going to go ahead and nail him off. Now, when you set him, you got a little option here. Me personally, I like to leave a little bit of a gap, because I'm going to caulk him. But you want to make sure whatever your header is, see, we're sticking over there. That's so when we put our header, everything lines up like we want it to. And then all that's left is to nail him off here. And now, as you see, we end up with a nice smooth. We'll run a bit of caulk, paint him up. You'll never know what happened. And there you go. Now, you don't have this big, huge gap behind your door casing. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, maybe give me a like, a subscribe, comment, your call. But until next time, keep making dust.